I've searched high and low for every Excel chart and function, and I've put it in this workbook. You cannot go to Microsoft.com and get a resource or cheat sheet guide like this. Download this workbook on my site and go through the nearly 200 lessons and learn any type of data visualization you could possibly need and then some. There's speedometer charts. There's very cool ways to track projects with checkboxes and different bar charts. There's bubble charts. They're very uncommon types of charts in there, but they're really, really great for data visualization. All of the charts that the big consulting companies use, like the radial chart, and we just saw the McKinsey chart, donut charts for showing progress. There's lots of different charts to show target to goals, to actuals, and shapes can be used to present your data much better, much cleaner, clearer. Gantt charts can be used really nicely for tracking project progress, along with waffle charts. Milestone charts. Radio buttons are really nice for filtering financial data. Download it at executethevision.com.